Hi guys, back with the f31. We're just doing a little mod on it today. Nothing too fancy. We're going to go for a blue engine start stop button, and we're also going to go for the carbon auto start. There we go. So let's see how we remove this. So here we go with the trim removal tools. I apologise for the camera angle. This is not the easiest thing to do. Basically, we're going to get it in at the side, just pop it out, give it a wiggle. There we go. Easy as that. Right, so just need to pull it forwards. I don't know whether you can see in the back there. You've got the clip. Just push the tab in and unclip it. There we go. Engine start stop button removed. Now all we need to do is take it to pieces, unclip the button, put the new one in. Right, let's have a look at the next step in the process. Basically what you've got to do is take this back section off, which allows you to get to the little clips in here, pop the other button out. To do that, you've got several clips around the outside. There you go. Basically what we need to do is prise these off very carefully, because you don't want to break anything. Just a little flat blade screwdriver. Pop those off. As I say, be very careful. You do not want to break anything. Just pop them off. Go to this side. There we go. That one. This one. Well, bit fiddly. Get that one off. Go. Just gotta stand up, lift and slide. There we go. Right, so that is the back off. So you can take this off now. Put that on the side there. Now you've got your actual button here. Now, as you can see on there, you've got two little tabs, and in there you've got two little tabs. What you need to do is flip them back and remove the button. You might need a smaller flat blade screwdriver. So now obviously we've got the blue engine start stop button in. We need to put the back on, as I say, because my auto start stop is basically a carbon sticker. So I just need to line everything up, click it back on like that. Nice satisfying click. Check it works. Look at that. Lovely. So now we're going to fit the carbon auto start stop. Giving it a bit of a clean, obviously. It's sticky back, this one. It's a bit easier to fit. Peel the backing off. As I say, it's pretty self-explanatory. Line it up and stick it on. A little bit of pressure. Give it a little wipe. Get rid of my dirty fingerprints. And there you go. Don't know whether you can see it properly, but let's get it back in the car. Right, so now the easy bit, putting it back together. Really simple. Plug your connector back in. Hear a nice satisfying click. Line it up. Make sure you've got all your tabs correct. And pop it back in. Now, I do think that looks a lot better. What do you guys think? Right, let's see if it works. There we go. Lovely 5-10 minute Saturday mod. And as always, remember, like and subscribe.